Hey everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with Aroma Hut Institute, and today I have another fun video. This one was inspired by my trip to Japan to Anime City, Akihabara, Anime City, where you get to see all the colorful graphics and vibrant characters and the fantastical themes. In my mission of search and rescue to get some anime books for my son, Dallas, but I also found so many other amazing things along the way, lots of sweets and lots of treats. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 recipes for diffuser blends that smell like candy. Stay tuned and watch. Number 1, cotton candy. So in this blend, you want to use 3 drops grapefruit essential oil, 2 drops of Ylang essential oil, and 1 drop of vanilla essential oil. Lollipops and sweet pops. In this blend, you want to use 4 drops of grapefruit essential oil, 2 drops of Ylang essential oil, and 1 drop of eucalyptus essential oil. Number 3, sweet shop. 5 drops of wintergreen essential oil, 4 drops of orange essential oil, and 2 drops of lemon essential oil. Number 4, inspired by Death Note. This one is Goody Gumdrops. 2 drops of lime essential oil, 2 drops of cinnamon essential oil, 2 drops of orange essential oil, and 1 drop of clove essential oil. Last and final recipe is jelly beans. This one includes 1 drop of frankincense essential oil, 2 drops of orange essential oil, and 1 drop of cinnamon essential oil. Well, I hope that you'll have a chance to try these essential oil blends and diffuse them. The kids are going to love them. Maybe you will too. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you a part of our tribe. Bye-bye.